Hey guys, this is AV. Today we will learn how to make REST API in PHP. So let's get started. Here is the simple outer format of code that I have prepared, in which all CRUD operations can be performed using these basics, and that too you can use either simple PHP functions or PDO functions, any of which you are comfortable with. The basics of any REST API is always the headers because of security purpose, which is related to CORS, that is cross-origin resource sharing. It is basically data transfer between HTTP and HTTPS protocols. And if you want to know more about it, please let me know below in the comment. I will make a different video on CORS. Then after, the database connection is done, which is obviously required. I have just set the encoding to UTF-8 using this query. It is optional. Now here are two different parts of API, from which one is for receiving values from user and other is sending values to users. So let's see how to receive value from users. In this, we will receive data through function file getContents, in which I restricted the data for PHP files and only input text. There are even more parameters of these functions, and you can go through its documentation from the link in the description. Then we will decode JSON data using this function, and then the JSON data will be converted into PHP array, and to fetch these values, array with keys are used as shown in example. If the data sent by the user is in format of JSON like this, then after decoding JSON, we can use data of name key and data of country key to fetch the values. And finally, we get the data, and then you can insert, update or delete the data accordingly using MySQL queries. Also, I forgot to mention, you can also upload files using same method, just using files function and setting header content type to multipart. Then after, the second method is sending the values to users. In this, simply fetch the data from database using MySQL queries and then make the PHP array of data like this, or push the data in loop. Then after, set the response code to 200, which is success. And to know more about all response codes, visit the documentation link in description. Finally, output as JSON data by converting array to JSON using this PHP function. In this first method, you can also use this to send custom response to users. For example, data updated, data successfully added, data deleted successfully, etc. So finally, you can make the REST API for PHP also using basic PHP methods. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and share this to all the developers. Thank you for your support. Take care. See ya.